Hello John. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what is the title tag and how important it is for your website. To do that, let's quickly open up our folder, and the folder should be opened up inside our favorite code editor, and then I'm going to do it by this title. Then immediately after writing the title, I should just open it up inside my code editor, which in my own scenario is VS Code. Perfect. And then I can close this up, and then inside here I will write my index.html file. And if you have been following my tutorial from beginning, I definitely know by now you have noticed that for each and every topic I'm creating a new folder for it. Well, you can choose to do that in your own scenario also, or do any way you want. But I like to make my code neat, especially when I'm tutoring people. So that's why for each and every topic, I definitely like to create a new folder. But you may decide to create a new file instead of giving it a new folder. All right, let's get back to work. Let's create our basic HTML structure. And then here from the top here, you will definitely see the title opening tag. And then you can see some text content inside it. And you can see the title opening closing tag. Together, this line is called title elements. And if you have watched my tutorial in which we treated when we treated the tags versus element, you definitely understand what I'm saying. Okay, so next thing I would like to show you is how is this title displayed inside the browser. So let's quickly save here, and then I can just open it up inside my browser. Here's it. You can see at this top left-hand corner, we have the document, which is our title. So let's quickly change it to another thing. Let's say basic website. And I can just go to my browser and refresh. And you can see it appear basic website at this top left-hand corner. So this title tag is very, very important for the search engine optimization. Well, if I say search engine optimization, you definitely get confused more. But let me explain to you. When you created a website, you definitely want a lot of customers to see it online. Maybe you are selling a product, or your website contains a very, very good information you want people to read about. So, and you want it to rank. You want it when someone goes to Google and type in the name of your website, your website should appear first, not somebody else's website. Then, to get that done, you need to implement what we call search engine optimization. And by adding title to your HTML elements, let me say by adding title to your HTML document structure, which is this title element, and giving it the name of your website, you definitely need to specify what's the name of your website here. Maybe your website is called alumni.code. You definitely need to write it inside the title. And when someone goes to Google and type codealumni.code, and website title is this, it will definitely fetch it out easily than if you're not giving it the exact title. By now, I know you understand what's the importance of title. And if you are definitely creating a HTML code, maybe for practice, maybe you are creating a form, you need to specify that this is a form from your title. Do you get it? Yes. I believe by now you understand what is the importance of title and how you need to add it. And the next thing you need to notice is you should add the title tag inside the head element. It should be nested inside head, as I mentioned earlier. Alright, if you have learned anything in this tutorial and you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.